Hello everyone, my name is Matetee Pusah and I'm from Liberia. I'm pursuing my BBA LLB degree from School of Law at Sandip University, Nasik. And I joined this esteemed university in 2021. My journey at Sandip University has been an extraordinary experience of growth, learning, and empowerment. The School of Law has provided me with comprehensive education and has equipped me with the knowledge and skills to pursue my dream of becoming an advocate of justice. The faculty's members are highly knowledgeable, approachable, and dedicated to every student to seek a successful academic environment. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the International Affairs Cell at Sandip University. They have been an overwhelming source of support throughout my time here, assisting me with onboarding process like FRRO, visa renewals, accommodation arrangements, and even ensuring access to diverse food options. Their effort has made my transition to a new country a seamless and stress-free, allowing me to focus entirely on my studies and personal development. I want to say thank you to Sandip University for providing me the platform and opportunity to pursue my goal and dream as an aspiring lawyer. Thank you.